call.
Yeah? Sounds like you've been settling in. I've been hearing good things.
I need someone who's gonna give me a run from a month.
Use your mini-map to help you navigate around the city. The arrows point you in the direction of the destination you've targeted, but it's up to you to choose your route. Flash your headlights to let this fool know you want to race.
How about some practice before the main event? Race me to the start.
Drafting guys will build up your boost. Hang on and then let it loose.
This ain't a cherry race. Ease up.
A little crowding don't hurt. No way! You seem stressed, Trevor.
My comments are live, dude. How's yours? Travis right behind you. Remember, only one mistake and you're dead.
I was up out of there, man, busting U-turns down one ways. Seriously, homie, 5-0 was all over my ass.
Yeah, man, they're chasing all of us.
Oh, okay, so y'all the real deal, huh, homie? Real street. Okay, anytime you want to race with some slips, come on down to the beach then.
And what did it be like last time? When one of your friends refused to give up his car?
Man, hold up, man, put some brakes on that. First of all, he wasn't no friend of mine, more like a business associate. And second of all, I think he felt that you offended him.
Whatever. Yo, what's up, man?
What's up?
I gotta get on up out of here, man. I'll talk to you later.
Later, Lester. This is my boy, give it up. Oh, man, we gotta work on that.
So heavy.
And you gotta work on shutting your mouth, fool. Man, I knew Tony was right. You can drive. You keep that up, you just might make a name for yourself.
Yeah, you know what? Trevor and his boys raced out of this parking lot. Go race some of the locals, then I'm sure they'll let you roll with them.
Hey, man, I was gonna tell him that.
Thanks. And I need a mechanic. You know someone?
You should speak to Carol.
Yeah, my man Carol.
Yeah, he's man Carol. He's got the best shop and private dealership in town. It's on Sunset in Old Hollywood.
Cool, thanks.
Races are marked on your GPS map with unique icons.
telling you, Jeff, the ignition timing is off.
I'm working on it.
You books, buddy?
Yeah, I guess.
It's too tight. You don't look like a trust fund baby masquerading as a movie producer. Why on earth you hanging out with him?
We've got friends in common.
Fair enough. No kind of a taste, eh? What can I do for you?
You tell me?
This is a full-service shop. Performance, body, lights, paints, vinyl, whatever you want. I can also get you new rides. Serious rides. No waiting list.
Great, man. Thank you.
Hey, there was just a guy in here, Martin. Also a friend of books. At least he was till he got bored with the scene. Or any scene. Nothing organized. That's his new vibe. Said he'd be on the strip when he read Sherlock. You interested?
Maybe.
Fair enough. I'll see you around. It's too tight.
Whatever.
trying to shut us down. This dude is a red light racer. Race him from the nearest intersection to a landmark on the other side of the city. First one there wins.